A discrete stochastic process is essentially an infinite collection of random variables from the same sample space, and it constitutes a sample path where the discreteness is from the fact that changes occur at discrete instants in time. We often call these arrivals, and it will become clearer when we study some specific discrete stochastic processes, beginning with the Bernoulli process. The Bernoulli process is the simplest and essentially the most useful discrete stochastic process, and it is, essentially characterized by a collection of IID Bernoulli random variables. So let Z1, Z2, and so on be IID Bernoulli random variables, such that the probability that Zi is P, the probability that Zi is 1 is given by P and is equal to some P, and the probability of Zi being 0 is 1 minus P, which we can call Q. Okay, so we are essentially talking about the time index I, and if Zi is 1, we say that there has been an arrival at time I. And if Zi is 0, there's no arrival at time I. So with probability P, there's an arrival at time I. With probability Q, there's no arrival at time I. Right? And we could perhaps draw a sample path for this process where this is the time index I, starting from 0. This is time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose these are the times of the arrivals. At time 2 and 4 and 5 and 8, arrivals occur in the sample path. A sample path in a stochastic process is a realization of the stochastic process, meaning, suppose we run the experiment and we get a certain W from all possibilities in the sample space. And that W gives us a realization of the stochastic process. In this case, it'll give us a sequence like 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So basically, in this Bernoulli process case, each realization gives us a sequence Z1, Z2, Z3, and so on. And we call this a sample path. In the case of a Bernoulli distribution, as you can see, there's an infinite number of possible sample paths, countably infinite though. Right, so now if we were to count the total number of arrivals, suppose Si is defined as the number of arrivals by time I, we could plot the realization of Si on the given sample path as the following. Si increases to 1. So basically, S0 is 0, S1 is 0, S2 is 1, and stays at 1. It increases by 1 at 4. It decreases by 1 at 5, and increases again at 8. So this is the process Si. the Bernoulli process can equivalently be characterized by the sequence of SIs, alternatively as a sequence of ZIs, right? So now we can also talk about the inter-arrival times in a stochastic process. In this example, suppose the first inter-arrival time is by definition the time from 0 up to the first arrival. The second inter-arrival time is the time, of course, integer valued time, between the first and second arrivals. And the third inter-arrival time is the time between from the second to the third, etc. So clearly in our example sample path, x1 is 2, so the sequence xi in our example is 2, 2, 1, 3, etc. Right. So clearly, in the case of a Bernoulli process, the inter-arrival times also uniquely specify the sample path. How about the distribution of these inter-arrival times? The PMF of the inter-arrival time xi is the geometric PMF. Why? Because we're talking about independent trials with probability P of success. So the probability that the ith inter-arrival time lasts for a duration x is simply the probability that there are x minus 1 failures followed by a success. So this is P times 1 minus P to the x minus 1 for values of x 1 to up to infinity. So the Bernoulli process is this very nice and simple discrete stochastic process that is equivalently characterized by arrival times Zi or by the process that counts the number of arrivals by time I. That is in fact why the Bernoulli process is also a counting process, because the number of arrivals increases by 1 at each time there's an arrival, or it is equivalently characterized by the sequence of inter-arrival times. Now, how about the distribution of SI? PSI of k, the probability that there are k arrivals by time I, of course, is going to be binomial. This is I choose k, p to the k, 1 minus p to the I minus k, provided, of course, k is between 0 and I. So this is the probability that there's been k arrivals by time. So you can see that the Bernoulli binomial and the geometric distributions come together to characterize the Bernoulli process.